Okay, so we have the Co Donguri here today with us. This is the blue model. I don't know what's the name. It's very old, so the teardown process will be simple, but it'll be the same process for a newer set. It's not difficult. As you can see, we have a part line here and the rubber strain relief here. I have already done the other side to make sure that this video can work. Let's zoom in. Okay, so this is the inside. We have this gasket here. It's for the strain relief. This piece. We will be using it for the Mmcx connector. As you can see, there is a big space around here. So the best connector to use is a long type, the long Mmcx connector with the screw. The screw will be acting as the holding on. Okay, so for now, I see this gasket here doesn't fit, so we will need a Dremel again. Hand file will do. Very simple. Take the wire, cut the wire. We'll try to enlarge this hole to put this through, and then we'll screw it on. There is an air vent here, so we have to try our best not to block it. Let's check the length. It should be fine. We have to worry more about the screw, so we'll screw it more to the front. And it should be fine. We just enlarge the front slightly and get the screw on. And for the bottom piece, because this has rubber strain relief here, later I'll remove it for you to see and guide you through the teardown. We will be filling it up with epoxy, and after that we'll be coloring it. Now we will show you how to remove the driver from the housing. Okay, 1, 2, 3 part. We have to remove the strain relief first. Yeah, it's in by friction. So when you pry it, we can get it open. Can we see here? And you can use your fingers, or the faster way is to use a leverage of the pliers. It's coming up. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This piece here. So we put it back. We will not be using it anymore. And you can see this is free wriggling. The drivers are at the bottom, so be very careful when you are prying open the IEM. So basically, they have a glue all around this plastic part. The back plate is plastic and the front metal. The way to do it: heat, melt the glue, remove. There is a certain way to do it easily. Of course, your insulation. This is prevent your hand from getting burned. We'll apply some heat gun. As always, if you're not familiar with DIY, heat gun. But a lighter will do it a lot faster. Not too much heat, it will spoil the driver. It's using a dynamic driver, so there's some film inside, which is a very low tolerance to heat. So grab with the insulator, and we will use a plier to pry it open. Prior. Okay, now it's open. You can see the glue. How to install it back, same way. Okay, this is a very old, so the driver came out together. We have to use the pliers to remove it. Don't want to damage the film. There are also voice coil around, so this is best done slowly. Right, the housing is out. As you can see, this is a very special driver. They have an air pot. This is a pot for the back venting. We have gotten the driver and the back plate, the faceplate and the back plate apart. Okay. As usual, we can use the wires here, and you can see the colors, red and brown copper. The other side has 3 wires. This is for the left side. So the green wire here will be the left. It will be on the driver itself. This is red. The red is actually still connected to the right side. So we will not be using the red. So these two. Now we got it out of the way. Cut the wires. We will need some extra length. Always cut under the knot. Of course, you can use your own enamel coated wires if you have a better quality one. Unknot and remove the insulation. Okay, it's a bit too long, so we will trim it down. When you trim, sometimes it will fray, so get a sharp scissors. When it frays, we have to twist them back. Okay, blue tack and solder. Thin the wires. Trim the thin wires. Okay, we really make sure that it has a good thin to it. And now we'll prepare the Mmcx connector. This is the same as any other Mmcx connector. The center pin will be the signal, the right channel. Let's zoom in on this. Okay, as you can see, the driver will be hitting onto the nut, so it will not close all the way in. We will forego the nut and we will do the whole thing in epoxy. And we'll pack the inside and then the outside. So let's mix our epoxy. Okay, we have here two 1 cm square epoxy resin. So let's mix them together. Why we need so much? Because we have to fill the outside, and also we have 2 sides, left and the right. So we'll start to fill up. We do not want any of the epoxy to come into contact with the driver pad. So this is we have to use some sticky tape to actually block it off. Okay, and regarding the air vent that is might be blocked, that might hit the Mmcx connector, we just turn it slightly. We will fill up the remainder of the gap. And I think it looks quite okay without the colouring, so we'll skip the colouring. Make sure that it's a flush or more coming up from the bottom, because the Mmcx connector might not fit. And we're done.